Mao ginay imong ituhuan sukad pagyud sa imong pagkatao. God helps those who help themselves. Sayop. Kinasayupas tanang sayop. Ngano?
What's
Why?
the right? Yeah.
Okay. God helps those who are helpless. That is the truth. That is the truth from the Word of God. But Satan has his own philosophy. Help yourself. Because God will help you if you help yourself. God helps those who help themselves. No. God cannot help those who help themselves. Mayon ang Diyos. Makahimo di ka. Go ahead. Di ko. I'm out of the picture. You need me. You see? So, God does not help those who help themselves. Kay, mo na gisakyan sa relihiyon. That's human good. That's true. Kita ni mo? Still remember human good? Anything and everything a believer does outside of the plan of God is human good. Mao na gisakyang Satanas. Sintag ng imong amigo anak, imong mga higala, imong mga loved ones, ngayon lang. Di mga anak, mao na lihok tao kay tabangan taka. Mao na ilang gisakyan. Mao gina akong gituhuan kaniadto. Once I have Bible doctrine, Satan is unsa. Nakita gyud ang iyang tinunto. Tinunto man ang Satanas. Grabe kayo. You see, you have to be very, very discerning. Kay kana, very subtle kay na. Gisakyan na sa kadaghanan sa mga katawan. Majority of the people in this world believe that lie of Satan. Liho tao kay tabangan taka. God helps those who help themselves. Sayo. You see? God helps those who are helpless. Meaning, you are humble. You would say, Lord, I cannot do it. I am helpless. I need your help. Like salvation. I cannot do it myself. I cannot save myself. So by doing so, by telling God, God says, yes, I can help you. Good that you realize that you cannot help yourself. You will know the lies of Satan. Kinaluyan ang tao nga biktima gyud sa relihiyon. That's why the worst thing that could happen to a person is when he believes in what religion teaches. Kaya mo na mga nud-nud niya will send him to the lake of fire. Just imagine going to the lake of fire and living there forever. Can you afford to see your loved ones, your friends, going there?